This silk carpet arrived at Royal Carpet Restorations in a severely damaged state after being completely dipped in water, causing the borders to dissolve and the foundation to lose its strength. Our restoration begins by carefully trimming the weakened areas and cutting all four sides to create a stable and clean frame for rebuilding. Once the carpet is prepared, our master artisans begin the most crucial stage: complete re-warp and re-weft stitching, performed entirely by hand and needle. This meticulous process rebuilds the foundation, restores the carpet's structural integrity, and significantly increases its life and durability for many years. After the base is renewed, we perform precise hand edging and binding on the left and right sides, followed by attaching new fringes on the top and bottom, crafted, matched, and stitched entirely by hand using traditional techniques. Throughout the entire restoration, we do not use any type of machine. Every step is carried out by expert artisans with over 30 years of experience. With 3 generations in the carpet industry, we specialize in restoring any hand-knotted carpet from any region or time period, turning even destroyed pieces into fully usable and standardized works of art. The transformation is so refined that no one can imagine this carpet was ever damaged. In the end, we present the before and after images. An extraordinary journey from destruction to perfection by Royal Carpet Restorations.